Hello guys, welcome to Tips from Stella. I hope you are doing great today. Besides the form or type, poo comes out in different colors. It is also important to know what the color of your poo says about your health. The color of your poo is determined by your diet and the amount of bile in it. Bile is a dark green to yellowish brown fluid produced by the liver to aid in fat digestion. Healthy poo should reflect a mixture of the colors of the food you consume and bile, so almost any shade of brown and green is said to be okay. Let's move to the different colors. Number one is green poo. If your poo is green with the normal form, that is normal and could be as a result of eating lots of green vegetables, taking iron supplements, or consuming green food colors. If it is green and watery like diarrhea, then it is a sign that it is passing quickly through your system and it comes out with the bile. Consider seeing your doctor if this persists. Number two is yellow poop. If your poo is yellow, it is quite normal, especially if it has the right form, and it is common in babies who breastfeed. Also, if you consume lots of turmeric, it may appear yellowish. However, if it is greasy with a foul smell, then it contains fats due to malabsorption and your body is not digesting food properly. For example, if you have celiac disease, your body cannot handle gluten found in wheat, barley and rye, so consuming it will make your intestines not to work as they should, and this will lead to the malabsorption. Number three is white poop. If your poo is white, light or clay colored, it is an indication that there is a lack of bile in it. This may indicate insufficient production or a bile duct obstruction due to liver diseases like hepatitis. This means your body is not detoxifying well and you should visit your doctor for examination. Otherwise, anti-diarrhea medicines like bismuth subsalicylate, barium, the chalky liquid taken before x-rays, can also cause pale or clay colored poo. Number four is black poop. It is normal to have black poo like in babies when they are just freshly born, and also due to medication or supplements you are taking like iron supplements, bismuth subsalicylate, black charcoal, black licorice, and blueberries. But if any of these is not the case, then black poo that looks like tar can be an indication of bleeding in the digestive tract. This can be caused by cancer, ulcers, bleeding sores from the esophagus from acid reflux, and non-cancerous tumors in the digestive system. You need to talk to your doctor if you think the black poo did not come from what you ate. Number five is reddish or red poop. Red poo can also be due to eating red foods like beets, tomato soup, cranberries, gel, or etc. Blood can also be as a result of pushing so hard and hence causing a small tear in the lining of the anal canal. This will not be persistent. If it is not from pushing so hard or what you ate and is bright red, the blood is most likely coming from the lower part of your digestive system. Causes of bleeding include cancer, colitis, which is inflammation of the colon, polyps, which is growths in the colon, diverticular disease, which is a condition caused by small sacs in the wall of the colon, hemorrhoids, and non-cancerous tumors. Talk to your doctor if you think the red color in your poo is not caused by what you ate. Well, that's just about it for today. Check out the video about what the form of your poo says about your health. If you haven't, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or even a comment if you have any questions. And of course, subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video, and do not forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.